Here we are with the fire. Once again, it's just cardboard, but hopefully the wood catches again. You can kind of, there's Nikki. Smile for the camera, Nikki. Nice smile, big smile. Okay. We're gonna be roasting marshmallows. It looks like the marshmallow's on fire. But, okay, I'm gonna fall. Roasting marshmallow. You wanna take video of me roasting? Because it's kinda hard for me to take video of myself. Like a rotisserie. Over a very hot flame. This is really hot. It is fire, but I want to change this. Here we go, this is that.
Just put more cardboard in.
It's dying because we don't have enough cardboard. Ah! That's not working.